Today we're going to be doing the easiest dance challenge on the internet right now, and it looks like this. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, without wasting your time, let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, back to another YouTube video. My name is Robin, and today we're going to be doing a dance tutorial called Let Me Be. Yeah, I'm sure you guys have seen this on the internet, so it's pretty simple. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Let's get it. This is your right because this is my right, and this is your left because this is my left. This video is mirror. So our first move is a tap. Yeah, you tap with your heel, just like that, and then on this other side you tap with your heel. This video is gonna be a little bit like faster, so no need to worry. No need to worry. So heel right there, change, and then heel on your left. So heel, right, heel, left. Again, heel, right, and then heel, left. Yeah. And then now we're gonna try and put a bounce in it, and then you try and lean. When you step on your right, you lean. So this is the lean, and then you lean also on the right. So it's kind of like your upper body leaning on your leg, on your left leg if you step. So if we're gonna do it slowly, it's gonna look like this. Did you get it? Slowly. That's how you do it. So we're gonna try to do this 5 times. This is the first, the step one. We're gonna try and do it 5 times. So in 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you get it? Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna try with the pace of the song. In 5, 6, 7. Let me. That's 5. Yeah. And then we continue. Step 2. So step 2, when we're here, you're gonna put your legs out there on 6, and then so it's ta 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 ta. You get it? So when you're doing it together, it's yeah, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, ta 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 ta. Get it? Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get it? So this is the second step. You repeat the same thing. You wanna tap again after putting your hands out. Yeah? Cool. Okay, we're gonna do the first step and the second step mixed together. Let's try. Okay, in 5, 6, 7. Let me be, let me be. And then you move in. So second step is like a snake. So this is the hand movement. Yeah. So this is how you do with your hands, and then you're gonna step, try and crouch. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Did you get it? Let's try it again in 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3. Start with the left in 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, and then you tap, tap. You continue again. Yeah, in 5, 6, 7, 8 with the hand movement going 1, 2, 3. Did you get it? So move like that on me. Should we do the top until here in 5, 6, 7? Let me let me be, let me be. Ta 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 ta. When you move like that on me. Right. That's the step 2. We're moving on to the step 3. Step 3 starts with the ta ta ta. Did you get it? So you hit with your shoulder like that, and then it waves out. So also try go lower. Yeah. And then you continue. So it's a bow, ba, step 3. That's how you start. Bow, bow. Yeah, you go bow, bow. Step 3, bow, bow. But we're gonna try and do step 1 until here in 5, 6, 7. Let me da 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 da. Let me be, let me be. Da 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 da. When you move like that on me, da 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 da. And then you go, let me be, let me be. That's step 3. After on me, da 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 da. Let me be, let me be. Da, ah, don't stop. Step 3. So you can be able to continue it from here, right? Yeah. And then you go again, let me be, let me be. And then don't stop. You stop, and then there, that's the second one. And then you feel 2. Did you get it? Ta, ka. You put this leg out like that, and then this one out like that. Did you get it? So 1, 2, ka, 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 ka. 1, 2, ta, 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 ta. So that's where we end. That's like the last move. So from don't stop, dun dun, just feel, let me ta 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 ta. So when you do this move, you're gonna also add a bounce. So this is just the basic how you do it basically. Yeah. So the actual move is like this with your hands or the hand movement. Your hand movement is like this. That's what you're gonna do, and then you're gonna just crouch down and then go up. So legs plus hands, we move. Did you get it? All right. So let's try and do the third move in 5, 6, 7. Let me da 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 da. Let me be. Let me be. Don't stop. Don't stop. Just feel. Let me. Da, 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 be. All right, guys. I hope you got that. We're gonna try from the top in 5, 6, 7. Be. Let me be. Let me be. Da 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 da. When you move. Da, da, let me be, let me be. Don't stop. Just be, let me. Alright, guys, we're gonna try and do it with the music.
Alright guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video until this end. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you want private classes, please DM me on Instagram right here at Robin Chirisa. And if you learned this piece, post it on TikTok, post it on Instagram, tag me. Let's see it, bro. Let's see what you're on about. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, peace out.